We've got a 2017 Caddy in with a thermostat that needs replacing. The thermostat looks like this. A quick video just to show everyone where it is in the vehicle. To actually release it, you have to turn the plastic housing to the left and then you pull it out. So it's just down here. It sits just behind this throttle body here. Just behind there. So